Yo, what's up guys? My name is Sipomoto, aka EasyMesh, and today guys, we are unboxing a weird router, which I can't even name. What is it? It's like Naginet, something like that. So let's unbox it and check out what it has with you today. Yeah, otherwise, if you like what you see guys, remember to click the subscribe button. Click like, tell us what you think about this cool router that we have. Otherwise, let's get this video started. Yeah. Boom.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
So guys, as you know guys, I've been using I think service provider Home Connect this day, and it's been giving me problems when I'm streaming. Literally when I'm trying to stream on Twitch, I'm having lag. On TikTok, I'm having lag. So I decided to switch the service providers. But you know, Afrihost got us this new router, which I have not seen a router like this. Like it looks advanced compared to what we have or what we got from Home Connect. Anyway, so for me, because I'm a smart guy, I just like, hey, let me share this with you and show you how it is. Firstly, look how cool it is, guys. Look. Anyway, we're still gonna get it out. Look at the box, guys. Look how cool it is. So the only thing I like about it is that it's using Wi-Fi 6, guys. Wi-Fi 6. Can you imagine? You know, we're thinking that there's Wi-Fi, only one Wi-Fi in our lives. Now, like there's Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6. Like, ooh, what? You know, we never knew there was a Wi-Fi 6, guys. Like, it's my first time knowing that there's Wi-Fi 6. So basically, this Wi-Fi is from it's a TP-Link Naginet router. It's what it says here. It's a EX511 AX3000 dual band Wi-Fi 6 router. That is mouthful. That is it. That's the thing. So basically, before we open it, let's just read the specs of what it has here. So it says that it's Wi-Fi certified by EasyMesh. I don't know who's EasyMesh, but EasyMesh and MU-MIMO and what the brand steering. Nothing much to say here, but when you go to this side here, the features of it, it's super fast Wi-Fi, 3G, 3 gigabits, not 3G, 3 gigabits per second Wi-Fi for faster browsing, streaming, downloading all the time. Connect more, stay fast. The new Wi-Fi 6, guys. Yeah, standard, reducing the congestion and quadrupling your average to output, something like that. Yeah. So broadband covering 4 times antenna and beamforming, ensuring broad coverage, covering everything. And also it's hot, guys. It's hot. That's why we see me sweat here. Wireless, basically on wireless, it can go up to 2,000 megabytes per second, like 2 gigs per second on 5G, guys, on Wi-Fi. And if you are on Wi-Fi also, or if you're on 2G, you can go up to 579 megabits per second. That's the faster it can go on Wi-Fi. And on Ethernet, basically, it can go as much as 2 gigabits per second, like I said, guys. And also they talk about dimensions and stuff, and also Ethernet ports and all of that. So the standard stuff, guys. Anyway, let me show you so that you can read yourself. There it is. If my camera can focus, you know, you can pause it there, I guess. If you can't pause it, I have to hide my face. Okay, boom. There it is. Now you can read yourself when it's focusing on the words now. Yeah. Okay, cool. You got all this, and also when you look at it, guys, look how it looks like. I just want to look at it now. Look how it looks like there, guys. They show you how big the house, how much it supports, and the speeds of the internet and everything, guys. So it's talking about the old. So the old one, when you're connecting on the Wi-Fi, you know, it was limited, guys. The old one, because only on 5G you were limited very far. But anyway, now it's showing you the new standard now. So on Wi-Fi 5, they show you that on Wi-Fi 5 you are limited to 300 megabytes per second on Wi-Fi. And now on Wi-Fi, on the new one, it's going to be limited to 500 megabytes per second, or 574 megabytes per second. And on Ethernet, you're limited to 867 megabytes per second, and still on Wi-Fi, yes. It's 5G. Yeah, it's 5G, guys, on Wi-Fi 5. Then on the new one, on the Wi-Fi 6 5G, you are limited to 2,402 megabytes per second. That's 2 gigabytes basically. Yeah, that's the difference between the old one. Then obviously when you talk about the internet you connect to, it goes up to 3 gigabits per second, guys. It's also speeding up to 3 gigabits a second, 3,000 megabytes per second, guys. Yeah, that's that. And also other things let's talk about here, ultra low latency, all of that things I know they're talking about, and they specify which port is actually good for you, like LAN port number 2 apparently it's better for PC connection, so we might test that, and also WAN and all of those things we're talking about. Anyway, everything's rich in here. We will explore all of it and test it, all of it with you. There is not, it covers the whole house basically, so it's flexible to create a smart meshing network with seamless coverage throughout the whole home. So if you have a big home, this router will be good for that. Yeah, anyway, enough talking, time to unbox. So let's open this thing up. Okay, good. Firstly, I know my guess is a bit lower than you guys, and you can't see all of it, but I'm gonna do this. So put the box on the side here. First thing I'm gonna show you is we have a charger. Oh, there's a charger here, and also I almost dropped it. Comes with the charger, another charger, but the cable thing for the power, for the AC power thing. Yeah, the cable for the power. For the charger, I don't know why I call it charger. For everything charger. And after that, we get the device itself, which we're gonna be unwrapping pretty soon. And we get some manuals and stuff that you can read, quick installation and all of that. And also get the yellow Ethernet port that you actually need, you know. Yeah, so I put that on the side, and let's open up the big boy. I call it the big boy because damn, this feels big. This feels big, guys. Okay, let me show you why I unwrap it, guys. It has 4 big antennas at the back here, and I'm trying to get this fancy plastic on it. It has a very, very fancy plastic. Yeah, and I like, you know, I like this thing as, you know, when something is new. I feel like this is new. If it's reused, I would say it's very, very much pretty used. Okay, these are the ports that we're talking about. The said LAN tool will be for PC from the box, so let's say PC will be good. Then LAN 1 is going to be your PlayStation or something like that. They all said all of those things, but you know, this is just a router, guys. You can put it anywhere, it should work. Yeah, anyway, there it is, guys. And also, look how beautiful that thing is, guys. No, this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Yeah, this is the router I wanted to show you.
This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.